I just wanted to ask you this. I really do think that there are three very important metrics for an active manager to be successful. You've hit on the most important one, right, which is the durable edge. The other one that I think is equally important is maintaining a long-term time horizon. And I think that a lot of people, a lot of proponents of passive management, feel that because active management can vary in performance on a relative basis versus benchmarks, that it's harder for people to stick with it, but therefore they'll stick with passive management because you're not touching it. I don't find that to be the case, right? If the market goes down 50% and you're in a passive index fund and your funds go down 50%, you are not sitting on your hands and just saying, "Oh, this was part of my strategy." We don't find that to be the case on our end, facing clients. What do you see from an institutional investment standpoint?
I think that the main difference from an institutional investor and an individual investor is the discipline. But where does that come from? It's not because individual investors are less sophisticated. It's when you're dealing with an institution and you have very smart people managing those allocations and managers, it's not their money.
Right.
It is not their money. They're not smarter than the individuals. It's just not their money. So it's less personal, and you can be more academic. And it's easier to stay disciplined. When it's your money and the market's down 50% and your 401k goes from X to Y, you feel it. And you have a physical reaction to that. And people get a little more anxious. They get, the world's falling apart. I mean, look at COVID. I mean, that was, you mentioned, you mentioned 08, 09. I remember going risk on in COVID and talking to our team and just saying, look, at the moment of like greatest fear, when everyone thinks the world is going to end, like throughout history, that has been the time to invest. Like I am scared right now too, but geez, is the world going to end? Like now, and so I just think the difference between the institutions and individuals is that component. Not people like to say more sophisticated unless it's not the case. It's not their money. You can be more academic with it, which is another reason why advisors, they're so important because they keep you disciplined. While the advisor's looking out for the best interest of the client, it's easier when it's not your money, and you can guide people better, and you can have a steady hand, and you can stay the course, which is something that you said, and I love that line. You can just stay the course.